Hello friends, how are you all doing? I hope each and every one of you are in best of your health. Welcome to our channel, Plants, Crochet, Cooking and more. Well friends, today we are going to take the stem cuttings of my long Monstera adansonii or the Swiss cheese plant. I have shown you this plant earlier, but after that, see, due to the rain, my monstera is growing by leaps and bounds, and numerous aerial roots have become active. Seeing the aerial roots in each and every nodes, I thought, why should I leave the opportunity of producing more plants? So here I am ready with my scissors to take the cuttings and propagate it. And I have someone to help me out with my work. Now see, so long my plant is. I always get fascinated with this monstera. Look at the pretty leaves. It seems someone has cut it in the perfect manner. There is my assistant. That's Oreo. You all have seen him in one of the previous videos, and he is very inquisitive. And that is Tintin, his brother. So I have already started to take the stem cuttings. And look at Oreo again, he needs to inspect. And there. I have got about 7-8 cuttings. That means I'll have 7-8 plants. There he goes again to inspect that. He nearly toppled my bottle. These monsteras are easy to grow. The stem cuttings of this monstera, I have decided to plant 4-5 of them in one single pot so that it gets that bushy type of look. A monstera can also be propagated in water, but I prefer to plant it in soil. See, I have a bunch of cuttings. I'll be giving 2 of the cuttings to my cousin and the rest I own them all. Today I'll be keeping the monstera cuttings dipped in water, and tomorrow I'll be planting them in a flower pot. Look at that cute chap. Look at Oreo, where he is, and it seems his whiskers have got tangled in the cobwebs. He's a very, very naughty fellow. I'm ready with my flower pot, my stem cuttings and soil. I've put some broken terracotta flower pot pieces so that the drainage hole doesn't get blocked, and I'm gently placing my stem cuttings. I'm planting 4-5 of the stem cuttings in the same flower pot, and in future the flower pot will look very, very pretty with healthy bushy plant. Look at me. I'm choosing which plant I should give to my cousin and which I should keep for myself. Come on, we are almost done. Adding the extra soil for now. After about a week or so, I plan to add some manure so that the plant gets healthy. Friends, I hope you enjoyed the video. Please do not forget to share, subscribe and comment. Do hit the like button if you have found the video interesting. And if you are new to our channel, do consider subscribing. We'll be back again with more and more of interesting videos in future. So till then, be happy and bye.